Hello, we are almost at the end of another year that was challenging, yet filled with so many good lessons if we pay attention. Over time, I have figured out that it serves me so much better to focus on things that are within my influence rather than dwelling on outside circumstances that I can do nothing about. And I encourage you to do the same. Today I would like to share the poem Remember by Steve Goodier, because it is so important to remember some basic principles about yourself. Remember that your presence is a present to the world. Remember that you are a unique and unrepeatable creation. Remember that your life can be whatever you want it to be. Remember to count your blessings, not your troubles. Remember that you will make it through whatever comes along. Remember that most of the answers you need are within you. Remember those dreams waiting to be realized. Remember that decisions are too important to leave to chance. Remember to always reach for the best that is within you. Remember that nothing wastes more energy than worry. Remember that not getting what you want is sometimes a wonderful stroke of luck. Remember that the longer you carry a grudge, the heavier it gets. Remember not to take things too seriously. Remember to laugh. Remember that a little love goes a long way. Remember that a lot goes forever. Remember that happiness is more often found in giving than getting. Remember that life's treasures are people, not things. Remember that miracles still happen. Now I'm asking you, what will you want to remember during this holiday season and beyond? This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, I would like to wish you a happy and healthy holiday season.